Aditya started this forensic science, Department of Forensic Science, first time in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, even Orissa, almost in the South India states, except Bangalore, Aditya started this course, sir. So I am very happy to start this new course, especially with the guidance and force of our beloved principal, Mr. Mohan Garu. But for him only, this department started here. So it is a very rare and useful department, especially this type of course having a lot of chances to get the placement, because the crime rate is increasing, and from the forensic science, from the police department, they may not have ample knowledge regarding this forensic science. So there is a proposal at the central level. So at least one person should be appointed from the Department of Forensic Science in each and every police station. If it is so, there are very good opportunities for the students of this forensic science department.
Coming to this workshop, this is the first kind of workshop which is conducting in our Andhra Pradesh. And even I can say in Telangana, in both the states, this is the first time which is conducted by the academics. And our main intention is to bridge the gap between students and judiciary. So with this academics, with this workshop, we are going to train, we are going to give the hands-on training on crime scene simulation, different types of crime scenes, like rape or murder, gambling, suicide case, etc. And also we have imported very sophisticated instruments like VSC, stereo microscope and other microscopes, and also forensic magnifiers.
By seeing the institutions, I felt so happy. A single person can create such an environment. Is it really possible? So a university cannot be able to provide such facilities, because I did my MSc from University of Hyderabad and then University of JNU Technology Universities. So there I say University of Hyderabad is somewhat better, but JNU, if you see, the facilities and all, the compared to that, this far better than this one. Aditya is far better than JNU.
No proper evidence before the judge. Even in the judgment, what the judge write, he says that the prosecution failed to prove the guilt of the culprit beyond a reasonable doubt, and hence I am acquitting that fellow. He will not say that that fellow has not done, he has done that, but prosecution failed to prove the guilt of the culprit beyond reasonable doubt. That is the reason why I am giving without doubt. So what is lacking now here? What is the problem? Evidence, lack of evidence. Saksha ledu.
But in students of forensic science, in understanding the most important aspects of the crime scene, crime scene management, what is crime scene, how to protect it, how to collect physical evidence from that, what is the importance of physical evidence, how the investigation can be conducted from the physical evidence that is collected, and the second part is how to convict the culprit also subsequently.
According to forensic science, there are many branches and many ways to identify clue. Each and every part of the crime scene will give a clue if you observe properly. There are proper method of observing the crime scene also. We have to go in a line manner. Go straight and come back again. Go again, come back again. Like that we have to do. But what generally happens, the clues team will come and they will go in a random manner. They will try to find out any clue suddenly, and they will try to find some miracle.
The workshop will run, sir. Otherwise, tomorrow if possible, sir, you can share your experiences. It's very, very useful for the students. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
a clues team, he can hand over the entire responsibility of identifying, collecting, packing, and then subsequent procedure sending to forensic science laboratory also will be taken care of by the clues team expert. So thereby largely reducing the burden on the shoulders of a police officer. Definitely we are bridging that gap. We are in a transition period. We are in a transition period in the sense that slowly, the crime scene processing is going to be handed over only slowly to the criminologist or forensic scientist the clues expert.